Another product, another review. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something pretty great for you. It's an HDMI transmitter receiver pair, and yes, this thing is pretty great. As soon as I got it, I plugged it into my Mac, and I have the other one plugged into my TV, and I actually forgot about it. I've been using my Mac on TV over this thing for a month. So seamless, such a good quality picture. So I could say that this thing definitely works. I put over 100 hours on it easily already. So what this does is you will plug it into one source and it will broadcast to another. So now I can watch videos, play games on my Mac, and watch it directly on TV. I plugged it into all devices like a DVD player and took it the distance, and absolutely it just works. It also works on iPhones, so you can connect your iPhone to your TV and watch videos, play games, and more on your TV. The transmitter supports computers, smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other devices. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open this package and see what we have right here. Okay, this is the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. This is the S6 generation, I think. This device supports multi-device mirroring, 1080p HD transmitter, and no internet connection needed. On the back here, you can see some of the device features and parameters. Let's open this and see what we have. So this is it. Here we have two devices. Here we have USB to Type-C cable. This is the HDMI cable. Actually, we have another Type-C cable. This is the mini HDMI adapter. This is the micro adapter. And finally, this is the 4K Type-C adapter. This is the user manual. It has good instructions. Make sure to take a look at this. It has all the information about this product and everything you need to know. Okay, here we have these two devices. This is the HDMI transmitter device, which we will connect to our device. And this is the HDMI receiver that we will connect to TV. So how does this work? It's pretty simple. You just need to put the transmitter into your device. So I will plug the transmitter to my Mac. Once connected, you will get this beautiful flash. Now I will connect the Type-C cable to this transmitter. Just like that. Now we need to connect the receiver to TV. So you will plug this device to HDMI output. Make sure to connect the Type-C cable to receiver just like the transmitter. Just like this. Now you should have this beautiful LED light. This means everything is well. Now after that, just follow the steps you see on TV to connect your device to your TV. And boom, this is it. This is my Mac and this is my Mac on TV. So now you can see everything from your Mac on TV. The quality is really good. You can now watch videos, play games, and do other things on bigger screen with this device. I got to say this would be fantastic for an environment, an office environment where you are going to have multiple presenters, whether it's on a project or a screen. And guess what? Trying to set up and get everything working right, you don't need a network for these. It has everything built in, no Bluetooth, and you don't need Wi-Fi. This goes up to 50 meters, so you can actually pass this around the room and allow multiple presenters. It would be perfect for well, I don't know, a wedding party or a roast of some kind. You could have your guests bring some favorite clips and pictures and just simply pass the stick around, and whoever has the stick is the one that's going to be putting it on the screen. When you turn your phone sideways, you can watch Netflix from your phone on the big screen. it just works. For projectors, this would be cool. And for, well, there's so many things you could do with this. It's like having a long cable, but it's just this. This should be in your toolkit. No more pulling the TV off the wall to try to get access to the HDMI. There is no need to anymore. This will do it. It comes with all the cables you need. I think this device is really darn cool, and it's definitely something I didn't even know exists. But now that I know it does, it's definitely something I'm going to keep in my toolkit. You can download Netflix, you can take different movies with you, and even if you don't have Wi-Fi, you could be watching it on the big screen, and that would be super useful. Once you connect it, you will be able to watch videos, play games, browse internet, and more on your TV instead of your regular device. I have to say that I'm really happy because I got this device. If you like this device and want to buy it, you can buy it from the link below this video. It's worth a try. So guys, this is our review for this product, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more reviews, and peace.